Mike Westphal here at McDonald Garden Center, and today I want to tell you about cactus and succulents. Cactus and succulents have lots of benefits, they're easy to care for and maintain, and there's a ton of variety that we have to choose from here at McDonald Garden Center. There are a lot of benefits to having cactus and succulents in your home. One of the best benefits is air purification. These plants do a great job of absorbing natural toxins inside your home and releasing oxygen. They also create a sense of well-being, as well as creating a relaxing environment. You can also use them to add different styles and structures to your decor. A great way of growing them is like this. A simple cactus in a nice looking container is a great way of adding a modern touch. Then you can also grow them in groupings. So you can group these all together. This is a bunch of different succulents, lots of different colors. So this is a great way of adding a different look to your decor as well. So those are some of our favorite benefits of using cactus and succulents. Cactus and succulents are one of our favorite plants because they're so easy to care for and so low maintenance. They don't require a lot of water. They do require a good amount of light. So you want to keep them in a room that has a west or south facing window so they get the most amount of light throughout the day. And then of course fertilization. You want to fertilize in the spring before they start to grow throughout the season, and then every 2 to 3 months after that with a liquid fertilizer. Here at McDonald Garden Center, we have a great collection of cactus and succulents. One of the best things is we have a variety of sizes. So you can get them as small as in this 2-inch container all the way up into an 8-inch container. So there's a huge variety in size as well. Then you also get lots of different colors. So this is a blue succulent, which is really pretty. You can get lime green succulents as well. And then lots of different colors, and this is a cactus that has this really cool red color to it. So along with all those colors, they're all unique and different, and so they can add a lot of different structure and style to your home decor. So come in and check out some of these here at McDonald Garden Center.